Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. Take a look at this. Ignore the guy in the crazy hat right there. That is one special hat. We've arrived. This is the Hot Rod Power Tour 2022. And you're in a daze.
I'm hot.
It's hot. It is terrible out here.
It's awful.
And we've just learned that the check-in line is how many hours long?
One guy said 2 and then another said 5 hours long.
Wow. Okay.
And it's 2:30.
So the great debate is to eat now or check in. So anyway, let the fun begin. It's the next day. Oh. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Well, that's the food. This is the Midway at the AutoZone Liberty Bowl. Check it out. Yeah, we're going to show you the sights and sounds coming up in just a minute. But we're hungry and we're thirsty. And I think way over there is the line. But the cars are amazing. We'll walk around and show you a couple of the cars. Now the whole trip up here and the whole actual driving of the Chevelle is going to be on Randy's channel because that's his car, that's his thing. I'm just going to give you guys a little glimpse and peeks of what it's like to do the Hot Rod Power Tour. So we're going to jump in and out of cool shots and cool scenes. I can get a bottle of water for $3 right there. Or I could take a swim in the fountain, which sounds pretty good to me right now. All right, I thought I'd give you an update on how much fun we're having on the Power Tour.
We're having a great time.
Yay! How long have you been in line?
10 hours, I think. Sound about right? I don't know.
That's the line behind us. That's the line in front of us. And once you get in the building there, it turns into Disneyland, where you go zig and zag and zig and zag and zig and zag for another hour.
I think you're dehydrated, man.
Why am I not?
Stuttering.
That's normal. That's normal at my age, son.
Hey, Dad.
Somebody's
It's my
asked.
dad right here, guys. It's my dad.
Somebody asked if I was his dad.
This is not the first time you've been
Ruined my
asked
whole
if
day.
I'm my
I know.
dad. Apparently, you look older. I look young. I'm not really sure which one it is.
Something's wrong.
Have your folks comment down below. Do
Oh,
you look older?
here we go.
Do I look young? It's one of the two.
Older or younger?
You do kind of look like my dad. Did you sleep with my mom
Shut
back
up.
in 1979?
1979.
Yeah. What were you doing in '79?
Well, I was 16. I learned how to drive in
My mom
1979.
probably like younger guys.
She probably taught me a lot.
She probably did. Oh, okay. All right.
We have all kinds of people over here checking out the car, helping us with it, working on the spark plugs. While that happens, I'm just going to go wander around. I want to see this little Mustang right here and see what it's like. Because now that I have a Mustang, you know, I've joined the Mustang Club. And it's the same color, it looks like, as Randy's car. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And yeah, about an hour ago, every parking spot was taken with really, really cool cars. Look at that, Bel Air. Gorgeous, baby. There's a Corvette, but I like Mikey likey this one. Let's see what she's got. She did the Power Tour in 2018. She's a pretty little pony. She's a prancing little pony. I love the color. This is an OSU color car. Look at that. Beautiful. Maybe I should go classic. My parents had one of these back in the day. 60, I don't know what it is. It's cool though. Mikey likey a lot. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, continuing with our orange theme. Check out the Judge Pontiac GTO. That's really nice. Beautiful. And then we have a little Porsche right here. Jesus is my co-pilot. We're cruising for, oh. Did Jesus get into, yeah, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, look at the Chevy. I love this. This is gorgeous. Chevrolet 3100 Thrift Master. So pretty. Hi.
Hi.
I like the color.
Thank you, sir.
Super, super cool. How about a Cyclone? GMC. Remember those from back in the day? Yes, sir. Love it. Buick Riviera. That's really cool. How about this? This is different than the station wagon my parents had. That's nice. You like the green or no? I don't know. Oh! Somebody's doing a little dyno test. Dynamite. Very cool. Okay. Corvette Stingray. Looks like original. I still think these are kind of cool cars. Very, very pretty. The newer Corvette. I want to see this El Camino. Lots of orange. Orange is back, I guess, baby. Look at that. Woo! Okay. Supercharged LS. Seen a lot of LSs out here today. This is the late hauler. Done the power tour for quite a while. Maybe I should get Randy to do that for his car. No, because anyway, break, we couldn't finish the tour. That is really, really cool. How about this? Oh, oh, AC Cobra. Beautiful. Look at that. Until I burn my legs when I get out of it. That is cool. That is really, really cool. Woo! Well, guess what? We made it. This is Lebanon, Tennessee. That is the Speedway. We're in the mid part of it. And let me tell you, it has been hot as you know what. Yep, it has been a heck of a day. We were hoping to get up early. Nope. Got up late, having some cooling issues with the car. Go check out Randy's channel for that. It is literally 110, I'm going to say here. We're walking to the Midway. We got to find the Holly booth. We got to get our little star. Every time you check in, you get a little star. If you don't get a star, you didn't check in, you don't complete the tour. So these are all the places we have to get stars. So let's hunt down the place you check in. Woo! Take a look at this. This is really cool. A state wagon. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. I don't want to interrupt anybody's pictures.
I look like I belong in that car.
You do. It looks like yours. Yeah. Look at that. Buick. That's beautiful, baby. All right, take a look at this car. Yeah. This is really cool. I like the wheels. Look at the insides there. New old school. Isn't that nice? That is really cool. And you've got this hallucination engine. Woo! Nice. That's really pretty. Okay, while Randy's in line, let me zoom in. Somewhere in there, he's getting a picture of the car as it came into the Nashville Motor Speedway, which is really, really cool. We're gonna do a quick little lap around the Midway and show you what's going on. They do have some air conditioning in the bathroom. Kind of works. They have some fans under some indoor kind of seating, which helps. They have all kinds of vendors right here. Quick car racing products, street side classics right there. And then every once in a while you get a really cool car or two. Let's go in here and just kind of see what we got. I really don't even know what to expect other than cars with lots of patina. Look at this. That is really cool. Look at that. Newbern's Garage. Look at that Bel Air. That is really, really nice. Krusty. Her name is Krusty. Then we have a old Beetle, very old school Beetle, with the skull on top. Every color you can imagine. Number 8. This is cool. That's kind of neat. Could you imagine driving in the sun in that? Yee! Well, how about this? Andy's Towing 24-hour service. Fuel injection. HRJ. Oh, look at the door panels. That's kind of cool. Nice. Nice little Chevy. She's a Chevy. Here's some more cool cars. This is Midway. They keep it open from the morning until about 6 p.m. and then everybody kind of packs it up, goes on down to the next location. Thank God for Kona Ice. I've been through 2 of those already. Look at this Mustang.
And again, we haven't even mentioned our friends at Ollie.
I know I only have a lowly V6, but I kind of want another Mustang. I really do. I don't know if I want it to be classic or like a 2015. I don't know. But that's really cool. A little bit of rust. The seats look nice though. So you want a t-shirt? There you go. 30 bucks, 45 bucks, $35, depending on collar, long sleeve, short sleeve.
That's what you told me, Tommy. I think so. I think they're
Bring
crazy.
your money if you're coming on this thing.
Friends at
They're pretty cool looking.
They've been crushing it.
This is the line to check in.
So, again,
to get your
another
little stamp
young
right
man
here,
who never thought he would be a model in his life.
you gotta wait in line.
Modeling our 2022 Hot Rod Power Tour umbrella. You're doing a great job. If you borrowed one of those umbrellas,
the guys on stage are a lot of fun.
We would love for you to bring them back. That's the biggest part of borrowing, is that you get to use it, but the other half is that you bring it back.
These guys are funny.
5:30, if you can.
Once again, that's the line to get your
please bring those
ticket
umbrellas
stamp, which you have to do to
so we can
prove
use them again tomorrow.
you made it
But
through
it's
the
gonna cool
entire
off a little bit.
tour.
It's only going to be.
All right, that's going to wrap up day 2 of the Power Tour. I think it's going to wrap up this video too, because we've encountered just a little bitty problem. Yep, we had an issue on the way to Nashville, or Lebanon actually, Speedway. There's a picture. Yep, that's Randy off in the distance right there contemplating what to do. Yeah, so to find out what happened, you got to go watch his videos. Ha! I'm the Power Tour event guy. He is the trip around the country guy. So please go check out his videos. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll be back at location number 3, which happens to be Birmingham / Hoover, Alabama. All right, we'll see you later.